What if I told you that this heartbreak is not happening to you, it's happening for you? Right now it hurts, I know. But today I am going to show you why this pain has a purpose and why psychology says this moment could actually become one of the most powerful turning points in your life. Breakups don't only hurt emotionally, they hurt physically. Psychologists explain that the brain processes heartbreak in the same regions that processes physical pain. That's why it's your chest, your stomach, your whole body. And when you lose someone you're attached to, the brain responds like it's going through withdrawals. If you feel like you're crashing, you're not weak. Your brain is simply recalibrating. We often think about a breakup means we were not enough. But psychologically, it tells a different story. People pull away for many reasons. Mismatched attachment styles, conflicting goals, differences in communication, simply growing at different speeds. Relationship satisfaction is shaped more by emotional compatibility than by appearance, status, or effort. So this breakup is not proof that you lack something, it's proof that the alignment was not right. There's also something called post-traumatic growth. It's the idea that some of the strongest, wisest, and the most emotionally aware people became that way because they survived something painful. After a breakup, many people gain clarity, learn boundaries, deepen friendships, discover new interests, and choose healthier partners moving forward. You're not breaking down, you're breaking open. Now let's talk about the no contact rule and why it works. No contact breaks the brain's reward-seeking loop, that habit of checking your phone for validation. It helps you rebuild emotional independence. It resets your internal baseline so you stop negotiating with the past that can't take you into your future. Purpose of the no contact is not to get someone back, it's to get yourself back. Now reframe the breakup. Instead of asking why did they leave, ask what does this reveal about what I need? What do I deserve? Who am I becoming? Every relationship teaches you something. Every heartbreak edits your emotional blueprint. This is not the end of your story, it's a rewrite. And I want you to remember this. You don't heal by forgetting someone. You heal by rediscovering yourself. One day, not far from now, you will look back at this moment with clarity and maybe even gratitude. Because this heartbreak did not break you, it built you. And the next chapter of your life. Yes, it's already waiting and it's yours to create.